Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Women are the beautiful creation of God. They look beautiful, however. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. But if a woman is really beautiful, then people will definitely accept it without any hesitation. Different countries have different beauty, but there are some countries where most of the women look beautiful naturally. And if you want to know about such countries that have the most beautiful women in the world, you are in the right place. Top 10 countries with most beautiful women in the world. The women of the following countries are fitness and beauty conscious, and most of them have better knowledge about good makeup and better dressing sense. They spend lots of money on their beauty and fitness. Most of the women follow the new trend of fashion to enhance their look. Number 10. Philippines. In the Philippines, you can find people with friendly and supportive nature. You can also witness countless world-class beauty in this country. This country has won all 4 pageants: Miss World, Miss Universe, Miss International and Miss Earth, with a total of 94 placements and 15 victories. This country is popular as a beauty pageant powerhouse. Most of the women in this country are quite passionate regarding their fitness and beauty. When discussing the countries that have the most beautiful women in the world, we can't overlook the Philippines. Julia Barreto is always a great example of Philippines beauty. Number 9. Britain. Britain comes at number 9 position in countries with most beautiful women. English women are true of various skin tones, but most of them are quite smart, highly educated, beautiful and with bold physique. Britain women always take care of themselves and always wear attractive dresses which are quite engaging. Luxury lifestyle, high education and multi-talents are some best things you can mark on Britain women. Kelly Brook, who recently become the woman with the most attractive figure in the world, belongs to Britain. Number 8. United States of America. In the United States of America, you can spot countless beautiful women who have winning dressing sense and attractive figures. American women know how to beautify themselves and they are always conscious regarding their beauty and fitness. Most American women are independent, fun and energetic and advanced. The USA comes at number 8 in the position of countries with the most beautiful women. Number 7. Netherlands. Netherlands women are quite beautiful and good looking in nature. Their blonde hair, excellent figure and height are the main cause of attraction. You can find almost all the women are almost 5'7" and know better how to maintain themselves. This country comes at number 7 position in the list of top 10 countries with the most beautiful women in the world. Roots and Cross is one of the best example of the most beautiful woman in the Netherlands. She is also one of the most beautiful and hottest supermodel in the world. Number 6. Italy. When we are discussing beautiful women, then we can't neglect the Italian women because they are well known for their extreme level style and classy beauty. Their makeup, dressing sense and well-maintained figure are the main reason behind their beauties. They know how to make themselves more attractive. Most of the Italian women are brown-eyed and look quite beautiful. This country comes at number 6 in the position of the country of the most beautiful women in the world. When we talk about the most beautiful woman from Italy, how can we forget Monica Bellucci? She is one of the most beautiful actresses as well as a fashion model from Italy. Number 5. Venezuela. You will find most of the Miss World and Miss Universe beauty in Venezuela. The main reason behind this is the women of this country who are quite conscious regarding their beauty and fitness. They have better knowledge of their fitness and they know how to look more attractive. Most of the women of this country are spending huge amount of money on their beauty. Even some women who are not blessed with natural beauty are going for surgery to look better, and which is quite strange. Most of the women of Venezuela are of tall and slim body, and that's the main reason Venezuela comes at number 5 position in countries with most beautiful women. Number 4. Russia. Russia comes at number 4 in the list in which you can find the most beautiful women. Russian girls are quite attractive and beautiful. Most of the Russian women follow western and eastern features and they're mostly fashion lovers. You will find most of the women with a broad, tall body, high cheekbones and blonde hair. Russian models are quite popular all over the world, and Arina Shayk is always a great example of beauty, which is known as the hottest Russian model. Number 3. Ukraine. It's quite strange that most of the men are looking for a Ukrainian bride, but what are their reasons? According to research, the main reasons are like most Ukrainian women take care of their bodies and they have better dressing knowledge. They know better how to maintain themselves properly to look more attractive. Most of them are prettier and smart in nature, and that's the main reason so many men are attracted to them. Olga Krylenko is one of the best example of a beautiful woman in Ukraine. Do you know she is also one of the hottest women in the world? Number 2. Brazil. You can find many hottest Brazilian women, but do you know the reason behind it? The main reason behind it, Brazilians are quite mixing in nature wise and fashion obsessed. Brazilian women are quite attractive because they always maintain their bodies and know better how to take care of their fitness and beauty, as they always live near sea beach and attend trendiest bar, so they have a better idea of fashion and dressing. Gisele Bündchen is the most beautiful Brazilian woman and sets a perfect example of Brazil, known as beautiful woman. Number 1. Turkey. Turkey is one of the top of the list of the top countries that have the most beautiful women. Turkish women are quite attractive with their outstanding figure and fair skin. They are very conscious regarding their beauties and always take care of their skin and face. Sinem Kobal is always a great example of Turkish beauty. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel.